Okay, today I'm going to be looking at the SANSI 30-watt LED floodlight. The folks at SANSI were nice enough to send this out to me to do a non-biased review. It is a 3000 lumens, 200-watt halogen bulb equivalent, super bright, security light, IP66 waterproof, blah, blah, blah. Let's take a look at it. Okay, instruction book, thank you card. Seems to be nicely packed. So this would be really good, I would say, for like a storage locker. Maybe you're renting and you don't want to do anything too permanent. So you just plug it into a wall here. Maybe you're doing like a big job in the attic. You're going to be in there for a couple days, or a big job in the crawl space. You can mount this on the ceiling, the wall studs, the ceiling joists, what have you. You got a couple mounting options here, one in the center, a couple on the sides, whatever you want to do. This bracket is metal. This housing does appear to feel like plastic. Let's take a look at it. You could adjust the screws, and I believe this does rotate 360 degrees, like so. You could just even like use it on the ground. I'm guessing. Just go like this or so. And you have some expanding mounting bolts here. I think this is more like for a concrete application. So as you can see here, these are really unique LEDs. They're mounted on ceramic discs. As you see here, it's very well ventilated, so it's not these chips, these LEDs are not going to overheat by any means. And let's take a look at the sticker in the back. There you go. And here is the power switch. Protected, to be waterproof outdoors. It is rated to be outdoors, obviously. And let's go ahead and plug her in. Okay, I got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's pretty bright. As it says, it's 3000 lumens. It's 200-watt halogen equivalent. It's a very nice, clean white light. The video looks a little different, but in person it is a very nice, clean white light. There is no like yellow distortions or anything like that. Gonna go ahead and turn it off right now. As you can see, it is bright. There's a couple negatives I can say about it so far. They're small negatives. The cord could be a little longer. It's not terribly short, but it'd be nice if the cord was a little longer. And the housing, I don't know how strong it would be if you were to drop it like on the concrete. I mean, it is hollow plastic. I don't know if it would break or not. That's just I'm just assuming it might break. Life happens, but it might not break. It might be pretty strong. And also, it'd be nice if they had a model that had a motion sensor on it. So like I said, if you're renting or something, you don't want anything too permanent, it being a plug-in light, that would be a nice option to have for a motion sensor for security for your driveway, backyard, what have you.